If you are on a lookout for a real good video editing app for Android, your search should end on this video. As a beginner or as a professional, think of all those expectations that you have from a good video editing app for Android, and this app that I'm going to talk about should meet most of them, if not all. Hi friends, this is Harish Bali from Technofare.com. I'm going to talk about Kinemaster Pro Video Editor app by Next Streaming Corp Media. To learn more, watch this video. Once you open the app, foremost thing you should do is edit the frame rate per second by going into settings. Thumb rule here is that a video shot in 30 frames per second should ideally be edited in 30 frames per second only. If you wish to find out what is the FPS of an existing video, you can do that on a MX video player. Most smartphones shoot at 30 FPS. This works fine for me. Let's move back. Hit on the big box that you see in the center. For sake of simplicity, I have divided video editing steps into 5 parts. First, move the clip to timeline, learn to trim, add text and call out, add audio, and finally produce. Let's hit on the empty project. Let's begin with the first step. Move the clip to timeline. For that, open media browser. Choose the clip. For now, I am choosing a WhatsApp video. It falls on the timeline. To move it around, simply drag the layer and you can move the video on the timeline. To add another video, go back, identify it and tap on it. It also joins the timeline. Position of the timeline determines where the second or the subsequent clips will be added, before or after the current clip. Once done with adding video to the timeline, tick to proceed from the top right. Second thing is learn to trim. If there is one thing to be called as foundation of a good video edit, it is trimming. Everything else builds on it. You may want to cut the initial part, for which let's proceed to the beginning of the clip by tapping on this button on the bottom left. To remove the not needed stuff from the initial part of the clip, simply tap on the video on the timeline and you will see this yellow handle. Drag it and move it to the new point from where you wish the clip to start. Similar thing can also be done towards the end of the video. Tick to proceed. Play. While playing the footage, if you notice cut points in between the clip, you can edit that. For that, tap on the clip, hit on the scissor icon. If the video clip you are working on is large, first and the second option, trim to left of the playhead and towards the right of the playhead, may come handy. For now, I am choosing split at playhead. Continue playing and choose the second cut point where you want the cut to finish and split. Select the clip and it forms a box. Simply hit on the delete button from the left and clip deletes. If you hit upon a wrong button, there is an undo and a redo button on the top left. You can use that. If you are looking at doing a very micro level editing, you can also pinch to zoom, like I am using my thumbnail and index finger to expand the timeline. To show discontinuous shots, you may add transitions at the merge point, for which tap on this little box that you see. For now, let me choose presentation and clock swipe. This is how transition will appear. Tick to proceed. Third thing is to add text and callouts. Ease with which text layers can be added differentiates Kinemaster from every other app that is available on the Android market. Let's explore layers. We have various options available like video, image, sticker, text and handwriting. Let's pick up the most useful of all, which is text. Add a callout text, welcome. Make the text large. Drop it anywhere on the screen. Choose an appropriate starting and ending point of the text by doing a long press on the timeline of text and move it around where you want the text to start. You may choose to expand or reduce the text bar length by using these handles. We have the text edit bar right here open in front of us. Make changes in color. I want to keep this green. Tick to proceed and color turns green. Work on in animation. Choose from a various option. I am choosing letter by letter. Go back. Choose an out animation and tick to proceed. If your footage just needs some effects and is good to publish, then simply bring it to the timeline, tap on it and choose effects and explore the suitable clip effect. There is a good variety available under title, powerful, sentimental, theme, travel and activity. Go back. There are other options under this window like speed control, rotate clip, color filters, or straight away adjust colors by moving brightness and contrast and move the brightness up or down. Similarly, make changes in contrast and saturation. Tick to proceed. If you are planning to upload a video on YouTube, need people to subscribe to your channel, go to the end of the clip by swipe, open media browser, add background. I am choosing yellow for now. Now I need to put thumbnail image of subscribe button on this background. Tick layer, add image. I've got it on my download folder. Here it is. Tap to proceed. Do a long press and bring it just below the yellow part. You may adjust the size of the subscribe button, for which tap on it, make changes, move it around. I am keeping this in center. Make in and out animation. I am choosing drop. This is how it will appear as an in animation. Go back, choose an out animation, fade and tick to proceed. Fourth thing that I do as part of video editing process is to add audio, for which tap on this add audio button that you see. Choose whether you want to have a recorded audio clip or a song which is already on your device. For now I am choosing this. Tap on the plus button and audio falls below the timeline. Choose an appropriate starting point of the audio by doing a long press and drag it on the timeline towards the left. If I wish to start it from this point, I am leaving it here. Now that I have already added a new audio, I want an existing audio to be removed, for which tap on the video clip, hit on the scissor icon and there's this extract audio button. To make the view on the timeline easy, I'll tap on the second last icon from the left and select the audio just above Alex Sparrow, because this is the audio of the clip, and tap on delete. So audio of the video clip deletes. So now I have the audio on the timeline. To do fade in and fade out of the audio, tap on this wheel shaped icon from the left and do fade in and fade out both and run it on the timeline to the level desired and done. If you want to increase or decrease the volume of the footage, tap on the audio and then volume icon and you can take it to 200% and tick to proceed. Adding voiceover to the clip is as easy as click of a button, tap on voice and hit upon start button and start recording your voice to put a voiceover. Last but not the least, if you want to take few pictures and quickly add music and share it with your friends, use this center icon in the red color and take pictures, add music and you are good to go. Similarly, do a video recording and it loads automatically to the timeline. Time for bonus tip. If you have multiple layers and want to do a final movement of layers before you publish, tap on this icon with 3 horizontal lines, second from the bottom left. Move the callout by doing a long press. Choose a different starting point. Go back to these 3 horizontal lines. While the video is being played, You may want to preview it. Play. And make editing on the full screen. Back to the timeline to do the final step, which is final production. Little icon that you see on the top right is to produce. Give a name to the clip. Okay. Share. And save it to video gallery. Choose the quality. For now I am choosing high definition 1280 into 720 pixel. That would be about 16 MB for this 34-second clip. It's exporting to gallery. Okay, and it's done. If you don't want Kinemaster watermark on your video, then go for Pro version. There are different plans to choose from. Friends, what's your opinion on Kinemaster? In my own personal opinion, Kinemaster and Powerdirector are the two best apps available as of now on Android Play Store. Check out Powerdirector by clicking on the link that you see in front of your screen. If you found this good, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel, and I will look forward to your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.